The Mitsubishi Mirage is a compact, efficient, and budget-friendly hatchback designed for drivers who value practicality and city-friendly performance. The 2024 models bring fresh updates, modern technology, and outstanding value, making the Mirage a top choice for urban commuters and cost-conscious buyers. In this video, we'll explore the key features of the 2024 Mitsubishi Mirage, from its sleek design to its impressive fuel economy, and why it's an ideal pick for your next car. The Mitsubishi Mirage boasts a stylish, compact profile perfect for navigating tight city streets. This model introduces a refreshed look with sharper headlights, a redesigned grille, and sleek alloy wheels, giving it a sporty yet refined appearance. The 2024 model adds vibrant new colors like graphite gray and jet black, alongside options like starlight silver and sapphire blue, with the Black Edition featuring bold black accents and a striking red interior. Whether you're weaving through traffic or parking in tight spaces, the Mirage's minimal turning radius ensures effortless maneuverability in the urban jungle. Despite its compact size, the Mirage offers a surprisingly spacious interior, with seating for 5, ample headroom, 39 inches front, 37.2 inches rear, and legroom, 41.7 inches front, 34.2 inches rear. It ensures comfort for all passengers. The 2024 model includes a driver's side armrest and foldable rear seats that expand the 17.1 cubic feet of cargo space, outshining competitors like the Nissan Versa, 14.7 cubic feet, and Kia Rio, 13.7 cubic feet. Durable materials and modern design elements create a practical yet upscale cabin for its class. The Mirage keeps you connected with a user-friendly infotainment system featuring a 7-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth connectivity. The 2024 model introduces rain-sensing wipers, automatic high beam assist, and a standard rear-view camera, while the 2025 model enhances these with voice control and multiple USB charging ports. Both models include a 4-speaker audio system, with the 2024 SE trim adding LED headlights and keyless entry for a touch of sophistication. Fuel economy is a hallmark of the Mirage. Powered by a 1.2-liter inline-3 engine delivering 76 horsepower, the Mirage achieves an EPA-estimated 36 miles per gallon city, 43 miles per gallon highway, and 39 miles per gallon combined. This exceptional efficiency saves money at the pump and reduces your carbon footprint, making it a smart choice for budget-conscious and environmentally aware drivers. Starting at under $17,000, the Mirage delivers unmatched value in the subcompact segment. The Mirage prioritizes safety with standard features like forward collision mitigation with pedestrian detection, active stability control, and hill start assist. The 2024 model includes automated emergency braking across all trims, with lane departure warning on the SE trim, earning a 4-star NHTSA safety rating. Both models offer electronic brake force distribution and brake assist, while the 2024 SE trim adds exclusive automatic high beam and rain-sensing wipers for enhanced visibility. The 2024 Mirage introduces a robust warranty package, a 5-year 60,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty, and a 10-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, complemented by 2 years 30,000 miles of complimentary maintenance. This unbeatable value ensures long-term reliability and affordability, setting the Mirage apart in the economy segment. Available in ES, LE, Black Edition, and SE trims, the Mirage caters to diverse preferences. The 2024 ES trim offers essentials like automatic climate control and a forward collision mitigation system, while higher trims add 15-inch alloy wheels, a black roof spoiler, and heated front seats. The 2024 Black Edition stands out with black exterior accents and a leather-wrapped steering wheel, while the 2025 model refines the lineup with updated styling and enhanced tech. The Mitsubishi Mirage combines practicality, modern upgrades, and city-friendly design in a budget-conscious package. With outstanding fuel economy, a spacious interior, and reliable safety features, the Mirage is the perfect hatchback for urban adventures. Visit your local Mitsubishi dealer to experience why the Mirage is a standout choice for today's drivers.